Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate the random IMEI number of your Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so we are on the immediate info page, just like always, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung Galaxy S25. If you don't know how to find the IMEI number of your device, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this page, and also in the same video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your device. So once you have typed the number, click on this button next to it, check IMEI. Now as you can see we have our Galaxy S25. As we scroll down we can see some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll down a little bit more until we find the basic checks, and in here we have the random IMEI generator. So we need to click on that, click on this blue button, generate random IMEI. Now let's wait a little bit, and now as you can see we have the 10 random IMEI numbers. We can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon, or we can copy all of them by clicking on this button, copy all IMEIs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.